Kanpai!
Kanpai!
Absolutely amazing. It's very nice. Everyone is very nice. Everything was nicely prepared. The location is wonderful. We have overlooking the castle. What we can ask more? Exceptional. So you can have no fault about this. They have done a great job. They have make everything to make us feel better. So congratulations to them. So many thanks.
I really enjoyed the performance downstairs. I wasn't sure exactly what to expect because I hadn't seen something like that before, but it was really amazing. And the sort of finale where the performer chopped this right through the, I'm not sure what you would call it, but with the sword, you know, this was really cool. It was nice to know that the food was prepared based on local ingredients. I think that always makes you feel kind of nice about just what you're eating, and that it's kind of been prepared thoughtfully and in a way that's not having a large environmental impact, right? It also kind of brings some extra benefit to coming to Okayama and actually trying things here because this is where it comes from, right? So.